like pharmaceutical, petrol tankers, emergency vehicles, poultry, perishable commodities will be allowed. As regards this particular point, traffic is being diverted as you see here. There are certain modifications required, like this cable, we need to get it shifted. I have informed the PWD section and the electrical section which deals with that. And then we also, and there are certain places we require small modifications. It will be done and it is being done by the concerned authority.
Okay,
The traffic so far is moving okay. We are hopeful that if it moves at this pace, we will be able to handle it well.
सर वन मोर थिंग लाईक आता प्रत्येक जंक्शनात जेन्ना एक ट्रॅफिक पोलीस असता आणि त्या जंक्शनात
Just take that. This is basically put because vehicle coming from after side is taking a left turn and going towards housing board side, and there it can get blocked. Until we are making compulsory so that they can go to the right and then they can go to the left from Honda showroom.
ओके सर वॉट आय वॉन्ट टू टेल लाईक हियर डबल टिबल ओव्हरटेकिंग जाता म्हणजे आता जेन्ना लेन तुम्ही
No,
क्रिएट
see,
करता
you will find for every new action you will find lot of issues coming up. We are tackling it slowly. You make efforts and tell the public not to do double triple overtaking. And I would request you that we are putting all our efforts for this and we are doing it for the people and for a good cause. I expect that the media also speaks in our favor and request the people not to make us to tell them but do it on their own.
सध्या डायव्हर्जन खंयच्यान तुमची चालू केला दोन डायव्हर्जन आयज खंयच्यान सुरू केला
डायव्हर्जन हांगच्यान आता म्हापसाच्याची गाडयो येतात लेफ्ट साईड सर्व्हिस रोडा कडल्यान सरळ येतले ओकोपिरो पर्यंत ओकोपिरोच्यान परत सरळ येवन मागीर तुमी हांगा येवन मागीर सर्व्हिस रोड देन आझाद जंक्शना कडेन रायट येवन अटल सेटू डावन रोड जाय जाल्यार बिग रोड जे पणजी वतात ते पणजी टू म्हापसा वतात ते रोड चालू आसा कांयच ना ओकोपिरो पावल्या उपरांत सांगोळडो जंक्शना कडेन सर्व्हिस रोड लेफ्ट सायड ऑफ द रोड स्ट्रेट टू म्हापसा आता दोन रोड रस्ते आसा ते सद्या PWD इज वर्किंग ऑन दॅट प्लॅन डे एंड नायट इज वर्किंग ऑन दॅट प्लॅन टू गेट इट डन एक चौगम रोड आणि एक रोड आसा दॅट इज ओरिवी रोड आणि एक रोड ते ट्राय करतात हे सोड टेका विसरा चाहिए सो बेसिकली वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दॅट अँड आय होप यू विल गिव्ह अ लॉट ऑफ कॉपरेशन
सर